Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. And somebody sent me this file, and they were saying they're having trouble tracing the S. Well, the S is blurry. The shadow-looking thing is blurry. The red F is better, but also I've noticed that the checkerboard is going on top and under. So we need to remember that. So let's set our nudge factor on 5 inches, and let's take select it all and Control D and make a duplicate. Okay. Change your duplicate distance to 0, 0, and this is a great reason why. Now when you make a duplicate, it's exactly on top. And let's nudge that out of the way. We're just going to use it. Now, this thing is totally different. If you click on the S, there's a great big box around it. Well, if we go to View in Wireframe, it's a big box around it. So go back to View and Enhance. And now let's take this S and move it up. And just go to Trace, go to Bitmap, Outline, Trace, Clip Art. Mine is right here. Trace, Outline, Clip Art. Clip Art always works the best for me. I'm going to say OK. I'm going to nudge that over. Let's nudge it over twice. So this is your bitmap. This is your curve or a vector. Same thing with the F. This is a different one. I've already done this once. Clip Art. Look what happens. The trace is gone. It's because it's removing the background color and it's automatically picking the red. So just put none. And then there's your F. So let's move that over. We can delete this, which is the bitmap. Same thing with the N. Trace, bitmap, outline, clip art. Same thing, color. No, none, don't erase anything. Move that over. So now we have a good trace. So, and he's also using CMYK, I think, on these backgrounds. If you look, I'm going to do it in RGB. But we need to kind of figure out this shadow is not straight down. It's a little bit of an angle. Trying to think the best way to do this. One, we could take the parallel dimension tool and just measure this. It's a 0.11. So we'll remember that. And also, we could maybe do this to get an angle, take a 2-point line and just draw a line for that angle reference. Now, we can move that up to our F. See that angle? Now, Control D and make a duplicate, turn the duplicate black, go to Object, Order, back a page, and now I'm going to set my nudge factor on 0.11. I'm going to move that up, move that down, and move this back down. And then we just need to kind of figure out what we need to move to get to that angle. Let's go 0.11. We're too far, so it's about half that. Let's go 0.05. You know, it's for the video, that's good enough. So just remember 0.11 down, 0.05 at an angle. Object, no. We need to take the yellow, Control D, make the one yellow, black now, the second copy. I got a little confused. Back a page. We've still got our nudge factor set on 0.05. And what happened is when I do this, I need to quit talking and just do it. Go to Object, back a page, but it's still got that one selected. So we can go to the left arrow key, that 0.5, and now change it to 0.11. And then we can grab that yellow and go down. There's probably several ways to do this. Control D, make the second one black, Object, order, back a page. We've still got it selected. We can go down that 0.11 and then change it to 0.05 and move it over. Now here's kind of the tricky part. Let's just delete these letters. Now, ooh, I need to go to point or back to 5 inches. Remember to change your nudge distance back. And I might be off a little bit, but for the video, it's fine. And, you know, I think I'm off on the S to get it. Let's see, let's change it to 0.05. Grab just the S and bring the whole thing down. Well, I'm messing with the checkerboard, so I need to select that, shift select the yellow, and either my shadow is a little bit different, but we're good enough. I think he's got the idea. But see where the F is on top, but the yellow's not on top? So you could go to order, back a page, and then take the black, and there's actually a page down and page up that you can do this. But by the time you figure it out, you could have it done. So now the same thing here. Well, let's tell you what, let's just take, shift select the black and the blue, order, back a page. Now you got the checkerboard in front of the N, the F is in front, or the F is in front, the S and N are in the reverse. I'm a little out of it tonight. Been a long day. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.